Okie dokie karaoke's. Well, here we are now. We're going to finish up our slideshow. We've got a couple of things to do, just transitions and theme, and then I'll show you how to present it to see those transitions and themes that you choose. So right now, I'm on my title page. I can see that I have a transition built in here because I can see that icon on the side there, those little circles that tell me that I have a transition there. So I'll show you how I got that. Just remember, if I click on the middle here, I'll get a different set of directions or icons at the top, or applications. That's not what I'm looking for. Anyway, different set of tools, that's what I mean. So I want to be clicked on the outside so that I can see background, layout, theme, and transition, because we're going to use theme and transition here. So I'm on my first slide, I'm clicked on the outside, I can see what I'm looking for. If you're clicked on the inside, you'll be looking at different tools, so click on the outside, there's your transition. So I'm going to click on transition, and it's going to open up a sidebar here for me that you can see. There's that icon that I was talking about, those circles there, those three circles. So that's showing me I have a transition right now. So right now I have a slide from right transition, so I'm going to change that. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to choose the flip here, and I want to make sure I hit apply to all slides. Very important. So I'm going to click on apply to all slides, and then I can just play it here to see it, to see what it's going to look like. There we go. I like that transition. It's creative, so I'm going to keep that one on there. Now, if I want to see what that will look like, I'm going to have to wait till I use my present here in a little bit for all the slides. And so now what I'm going to do, I can see that I have my transition chosen. I'm going to pick a theme. And so remember, you want to pick a theme that shows your slide nicely. It doesn't distort it. Some of them do that. So there's choices on the side here. I kind of like that one. I might just stick with that first one there. It seems to show my slide quite nicely. It seems to work with my pictures quite well. So this is where you get to get creative a little bit, and you get to choose. So now I've got my theme picked, I've got my transition picked, and now I can actually go in here. I'm going to click off theme, and I can present this to have a look at what it looks like. Okay, so here's my first slide. There's buttons at the bottom here. I'm going to click my arrow. Oops. Goes to my second slide, habitat. Third slide, diet. So far I like it. Fourth slide, appearance. Yeah, I'm liking it so far. Not bad. Fifth, my fun facts. There's my slide presentation done. Interesting fun fact here. I did not know that walking sticks can regenerate their own limbs. What's that mean? What does that mean? If they break a limb off or lose a limb, then they can regrow it, regenerate it. Very interesting fact that I learned about the walking stick, and I hope you learned something about your insect. That was kind of the whole point. Okay, share that please with me. Submit it, turn it in, and I'll have a look at your slideshow. But you will have this now forever in your Google documents, or in your Google Slides, excuse me, and in your Drive. So you will have this slideshow for the rest of your life. All right, good job, friends. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you learned something very creative, very fun to do.